Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are understanding what is BaseStore in the LangChain. So you can get a reference from this URL. Uh, so what is BaseStore? BaseStore is the abstract interface for a key value pair. So in BaseStore we have some method like mget, mset and mdelete for getting, setting and the deleting some multiple key and value, and also yield key with a method to iterate over the key that made the given prefix. So here in this BaseStore we can use as a async version for those method like amget, amset is for async, okay, and amdelete and the ayield keys. By default, we have some mget, set, delete, and the yield key method are available using the synchronize method. So there are few other method like get, set, delete, okay, and the yield key. So let's see one example here. So you can use this. You can see, sorry. You can see this notebook in my GitHub repo. So let's see what is LangChain base store here. So we first import base store from LangChain store library. Uh, we implement some typing library from import list, tuple, optional, and the iterator. We create one class. Class name is in memory store. Okay, and we initialize store here. We create different function like mget, mset, mdelete, and the yield key. Okay, and for mget, we implement list. Okay, as an optional. Yeah, here for mset for tuple. Okay, and delete for as a string to delete the key here. Okay, so in store variable, we call the class in memory store. We use mset where a is my a and b is my key, one and two is my value for that key. Okay, after I add one key which is c here. Okay, and I didn't give the value of c key. So what I do next? I delete the key which is B. So after that, when I print the using yield key, I see the key of A is so the value of key A is 1, value of key is B is 2. But after delete the key B, I didn't get the value. So in output, I got only the key as the output. So this is the how base store is working. It is helpful for any catching method, embedding method. Okay. You can go to my channel. You can also like, subscribe my video, and also give me your feedback so I can improve this video as per your feedback. Thank you.